This is the new sight that we produced for this year. We do it in collaboration with Glock, as you can see here. And the new thing is actually the cut, because we have a new patented cut, which is called the A-cut. And that is a mounting solution. You put it there like a ski boot, set the screws there. So it's quite simple and stable. I can show you here as well. Gun is, so you can see you have the co-witness within them. Do you see the red dot as well? Perfect. So it's a new product from us, and they are sold in a package together with a Glock this year. So you have to buy the complete package, Glock and the COA, because of this special cut. So it's really rugged, and it can take a lot of beating as well. And it's tested with 40,000 shots, 9mm, and it's waterproof, 25 meters. And it's really nice product. It weighs only 48 grams, so it's really light as well. But the main thing is the cut, because it sits very low, so you can use the co-witness as I showed you before. Those are the standard heights of a Glock pistol. So even people who are not used to shoot with a red dot sight on their pistol can now easily find the red dot, because it's in the same height as the previous iron sights.